Hi, let's enhance my current to-do app with the help of GenAI. You're going to go from this simple to-do app with basic features to this automated GenAI that has a list of tasks that are in progress, completed, or archived. Nothing new actually here. It's just the normal to-do lists of items that you've created. We can create a task with a description, duration, let's due date, give it a priority, then also a frequency of occurrence. This doesn't use any GenAI. It's just a normal create function that creates your to-do tasks. And then so with the creating using GenAI, that's a bit different. You will have to give in a longer description so that AI will understand how you want it to be broken down, so it can help you with things like breaking down your tasks, generating a creative help for your new task. So once you create, you can see it's longer than the other ones, and you have to click like see more, see less, or you can decide how you want to do it. AI suggestion, which provides you with a better suggestion or a better way of how you want to handle or finish your current suggestions. Once it has been provided, as you can see, the suggestion might be long or short depending on how your task is. Then you can decide to actually create like a new task with that suggestion, or you can just cancel it so that can go to the next thing. Another GenAI feature you can integrate is creative help, and this one helps you if you are blocked. Then the GenAI can help you, give you suggestions to accomplish the task. Then the last GenAI feature that I thought of was the awesome feature of delegating tasks. This one is actually good if you're working with teams, you're working with a different group of people, and you are like creating tasks using a to-do app. So you can delegate this task. So you can just give GenAI a list of your teammates with their roles and responsibilities. Then GenAI will decide like who is the best person to delegate this task to. Yeah, not the most useful if you're working as a solo, but definitely useful if you're working with a team. What are some of the other GenAI features that you guys think of, or what do you think we can integrate more and more on the GenAI? I still love my current to-do app, especially with its easy way of navigating around and getting all things in one place. As you can see, I can navigate around easily and get everything. However, I believe that with a little bit of automation with GenAI, I can actually accomplish as many things as possible. I'm going to share a full video showing on how I created the this modern to-do app, ZenTasker, step by step. So if you want to get this, I'm going to share a video of how I did create the modern to-do app ZenTasker. If you want to keep in loop and get the video the notification once I roll that out, subscribe and join my YouTube channel so that you can get these updates as soon as possible.